Hi everyone, just wanted to let you know this program is awesome. 4Qlife. This is a get started video. Of course, I signed up under my referral, and what I did, I chose the cryptocurrency I want to use to get started in this program. You hit this down arrow up and down. You choose whatever cryptocurrency you want to use to get started. Then you scroll down, you send the funds. Of course, I use Tron to get into this platform. And of course you wait, keep this, they said keep this payment processing thing open until it confirms, and do that, and it should redirect you to the back office. And it also says right here, do not refresh this page while payment is processing. So do none of that and just wait for it to confirm. And of course step 3 is confirmation. That's what you want to see after your payment is sent. Then you'll be redirected into your back office to get started. So I'm gonna wait for that to occur, and then we'll go into the back office and see what's back there. And as you can see now, guys, it went from status to confirmation to sending. So we gonna wait to see what happens from here, and I will resume this video tutorial. So basically it's self-explanatory, simple to get involved with this 4Qlife. And so we'll see. Also, while we waiting, let's check out what they have here on the side. The best in systems, instant access to members area, instant access to your selected pay centers. So this is what they have: direct referral team report, live opportunity webinars. They also have commission paid daily. They have all this under as far as you earn a commission as you bring in people in. Also, they will have live trainings, Q&As, and all that. So this is awesome system. I'm excited about this. So we're gonna wait to see what happens after the status finish sending. Also, guys, you can see right here, choose what cryptocurrency type you want. So you can choose BTC, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, or Tron, or USDT TRC20, which is like it's on the Tron network. So you got an option to choose these. Okay. And finally, guys, this says finish in the status. So that's the last thing you're gonna see. It's finished. Now we're in the back office. Let's always, anytime I join a program, I always like to see what's back here. I always tell people to check the tabs, get more familiar with your back office, so you know what's going on. It's worth going through these tabs and figuring out things on your own sometimes as you get help from your upline. So of course right now I'm in dashboard, so it shows some information here, shows who my sponsor is, and view pay center. You can actually click on this board. If I decide I want to enroll in the second one, I could. Also look like they have webinar calls here, Zooms, which is awesome, right in the back office. That's powerful. Let's click on pay center. Okay, pay center shows, I'm gonna click on 300 pay center, look like Q1. Of course, okay, so to actually have, once 2 people are here, it'll show. Okay, this is awesome. I like how they got that. Let's see what an 800 pay center looks like. Well, of course I have to buy it. And let's see training 101. Oh wow. So here got the services and products. This is awesome. They got introduction, choosing a broker, setting up a VPS. I would definitely want to look into that, see what that's about. I'll watch it, or you can watch video tutorials. So here got the product side. This is awesome and phenomenal. Let's click on wallet. Okay, wallet, you can withdraw your funds here. Okay, awesome. They got member to member. You can also transfer funds to another member by getting their username. That is awesome. Wow, right in the back office. Of course, your My Team, your personals. Also, it look like they got, you could collect leads as well. That's awesome. Of course, profile is basically where you are be to add your profile information if you have not already. Look like you can add a pin for security. And of course, finally, the leaderboard. A lot of people is ranking already all so far. So this finally concludes this video, back office tutorial getting started video. Please get back with the person that shared this video with you, and if no one referred you, referral link will be at the description at the bottom of this video. Thank you for watching.